functional testing. Functional testing focuses on what a system is expected to do. In a simple term, if we answer for the functional testing, that the testing that are not concerned with the internal structure of the system. Simply, we give the input to the system and obtain the output. We are not concerned with the internal structure, how the output will come, how the system will behave at the back end, and how it will reach to give the output to us. It involves the testing the features of a system, obviously yes. In the functional testing, we have to test each and every feature. Either it will be the component, either it will be the part of integration, either it will be part of acceptance, either it will be the part of cosmetic. Each and everything we have to test in the functional testing. It also verifies the interaction between the two systems and are performed at all the test levels. Like we discussed in the previous slides, the interaction between the two systems. Maybe the two systems can be the two modules. The two systems can be the two different platforms. Like if I press a submit button on a web page, whether it will navigate to me to the other page, it's again an interaction. It's again a testing of functionality of a submit button. If I'm using the Microsoft Word, say version 2007 or version 2010, or if I'm using the OpenOffice in Linux, in the same file I have to access in the Windows, so it's a two system. Again, the testing of the functionality will be done here. So functionality testing, it's concerned with the input and to get the output. We are not concerned with how the output will come. We are not concerned with how the internal structure will behave. The functional testing involves the black box testing, or we can say the functional testing is also called the black box testing. Functional testing involves the security testing, where the functions related to detection of the threat such as viruses can be detected. Obviously yes, we have to check whether our application is secure from the external threats or not. Suppose I am going to design a browser, whether my browser is capable to prevent from the external threats, external viruses or not, or it can capture it. Another type of the functional testing is interoperability testing, which the software's capability of interacting with other components or systems are evaluated. Interoperability means the testing that we do to check whether the two different environments are compatible with each other or not, or the application running on the two different environments are compatible or not. This is the interoperability testing. Another type of functional testing is interoperability testing, where the software capability of interacting with other components or systems are evaluated. Means whatever the software applications or software products are going to design, either it will communicate, either it will interact with each and every component of the system or not, or the software product, either it will be compatible on the two different systems, two different platforms or not. Interoperability.